Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Bitcoin banana price prediction video. My friends, this video is very important, very special for all of you, because especially in this video I'm talking about the huge mistake of hoarders, my friends. Absolutely, now a lot of people, a lot of hoarders of the banana token doing a very big mistake. So please, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from those. But my friends, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Banana token holders, you can see, my friend, that the price of the banana in the market is very low. Absolutely, my friends, banana price token is a low price token for investment, my friends. And absolutely, now I really appreciate, I really recommend it for everybody that please invest now more and more in the banana token, because my friends, you can see the price of the banana token is low. And on the other hand, my friends, that is the interesting fact about banana token, that the changes of the banana token is every time I found positive, and 30% the price increase, 30% the price increase. So that's, I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes, my friends. So let me show you more about banana. But before starting this video, please, I request again that please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. Oh my god, you can see, my friends, absolutely a big low token in the banana. But now I think, my friends, they start jumps, and absolutely now my prediction, my technical analysis tells us that this jump will be the huge pump, will be the long-term pump of the banana, my friends. You can see, my friends, the price change is 30%, and oh, absolutely massive, 342%. The trading volume of the banana increase. So absolutely, my friends, that is the future trending. It's also a trending in the market, but I recommend that please buy now more and more banana if you want really a huge amount of profit, my friends. They will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about banana? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.